Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about the HclTech mass hiring next phase. It is a very important video. I will be sharing all the details. If you have got the mail, okay, and if you have not received the mail, why you have not received the mail, each and every detail I will be sharing you. Okay, first of all, try to understand it is not a kind of opportunity in which you will apply and after only 1 week or after only 2 weeks you will be getting the mail. Now today also the next phase is started and the candidates who have applied in the month of March, April, May, June, they are getting the mail. Okay, because it is the kind of opportunity in which if you will apply, it can take around 6 months. Also, it is important that HclTech, okay, HclTech shortlist you from the database. It is nothing like that you need to apply somewhere. Just create your application on HclTech portal. Automatically, they will shortlist you. Okay, if your resume is good, and they will be sending you the mails. And I am just not saying it's a small phase. I will be explaining you. See, today's phase is a very big phase. I will show you. See here, one student, another student. So if you will look on the discussion group, actually many students shared, I also received the mail, I also received the mail. So many candidates in this phase got the mail, and it is not like they have applied particularly in this week or last week. If you will see here, they are also telling that they applied in the month of May, they applied in the month of June. So as I explained, what you need to do is, this is the HclTech portal. Currently it is into the maintenance. In 48 hours you will be getting the access of the portal again. If you already applied through this portal, and I have the faith that you guys already submitted the application through this portal, you do not need to perform anything. You no need to apply for from any other way. Just on this portal your application should be there. Also fill this one form, GT 2025 HclTech Madurai. This form is also important to fill. Okay, only these two steps you need to do. If you already have the application in this, that is totally fine. Now you don't need to do anything. Okay, so if you can see here, this is the new phase which is started. HclTech online assessment do's and don'ts graduate engineer trainee. The date of the test is 8 September. Okay, 8 September is the test for the date, test date. Okay, and this is for GET profile. For GET profile, the pay package is 3.5 LPA, and the process contains total 4 rounds. Already from the month of June, the process is ongoing. This is the third month. And yes, it is a mass hiring because many candidates are getting the mails in the phases. Why I have not received? So suppose if you have not received the mail, there can be two possible conditions. See, the hiring will be ongoing till October or November. Already 4 to 5 phases are done for HclTech hiring. This is, I think, this is the fifth phase, which is going to conduct on 8th of September. Already from June, this is the fifth phase. Okay. So if you have not received, there is the chances that before October or November in any phase you will get the mail. Second chances is maybe HclTech team is not shortlisting your resume, because the main thing is you cannot edit your application, you cannot reapply. If you have the active application on HclTech portal, there is one application per year cycle. Only one application can be submitted within 12 months. Okay, so you cannot edit, okay, and you cannot reapply. Only the application which you have posted on the portal, which I have shown you, there is nothing special that you need to apply for some specific position for GT. It totally depends upon the company that HclTech is shortlisting you either for GT role or GT role. So many candidates also get the mails for GT role, many candidates get the mails for GT role. How should I apply? Already I told you. First step, fill the form. The link will be in the description. Second step, if you have not registered on HclTech portal, must submit your one-time application on HclTech portal. Okay. After that, you cannot edit or reapply for it. And if you have already submitted the application from your side, no need to do anything. No need to do anything. Automatically, they will shortlist the application based on the phases and they will send the mail. what will be the process? There will be aptitude test first with the mail which you have received. There will be aptitude questions, quant, reasoning, okay, quant, reasoning, and verbal. Mainly these three topics, mainly around 18 minutes for this, okay. And also there could be these topics in subdivided parts, okay. Also, pseudocodes could be there. Pseudocodes could be there. So this is the major aptitude test, which is the first test for HclTech GET, in which actually you need to prepare very good for your aptitude. Also, if this kind of mails you are getting in future, also maybe you will get, so you should have good prepared, right? So we have the Arjun series mock test. If you guys can see here, there are a lot of mock tests available for aptitude, like around 240 questions are available here in the mock test for the aptitude with solution. Overall 1500 plus questions are provided in the whole mock test, okay. For each topic there is 240 questions in aptitude, total 800 questions on aptitude, okay. And then reading paragraph, gamified assessment, pseudocodes, DSA, CS fundamentals, SQL, oops, data interpretation, web development, communication assessment, coding question, each and everything you will be getting. Future also, for any MNC you can purchase this course, okay. After the aptitude test there is GD, which is group discussion. So recently the last phase students also got the group discussion mail, okay. So in which one topic will be provided and you need to discuss about it. Then there are two technical interviews, which is mainly based on CV, whatever you have mentioned in your resume. Then there is HR interview. So this is the whole process look like for HCL GT. I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching.